Hi, this is Jennifer from Skyezone. I'd like to show you how to process aloe to use on a burn to start with. So when you harvest your aloe, make sure that you use a sharp knife, protect your hands. When you bring it inside, have it put into cold and if possible iced water. It will help reduce the amount of sap that comes out. It's a protective mechanism from the plant. So you don't want that yellow sap at all, and it stains plastic, so use glass or stainless steel. Have a nice clean board and a sharp knife. First of all, we're going to strip the spines off, so pointy end away from you, and run your blade down along those spines. Don't be afraid to take off a little bit more of the green and discard that so you can see that starting to be exposed. Turn it around, run the other side. You can also cut a piece of aloe just to the size that you want, but regardless of whether it's a large or a small piece, you do need to expose the gel. So now that we've got the two sides, the spine's gone, run the blade. It's actually easier if you do it from the thick end first. Put the concave side towards you and then run that blade underneath, kind of flattening it out as you go. It doesn't matter if there's imperfections on the top of the leaf, because when you take those off, you'll find the gel is beautifully smooth inside. So now you can either cut a piece to the shape of your burn, apply it to your wound and tape it on. Leave it overnight if you can. Works absolute magic. If you need to extract that gel to put into a cream, then lay it down flat on your board. Use a sharp knife to anchor it as you run the blade along and extract that magic internal gel, and there it is. So what do you do with that? You can't just, you could apply that to the wound, but you'd lose a lot of it if it didn't have the backing on it. So what you do next is you add it to your vitomizer. Now I've already got a large piece here that I've whipped up just to show you. Now this gel, once you've whipped it up, it's going to look like a white foam, but now you've got a nice usable product that you can add to other creams if you need to improve the efficiency of your sunburn cream, and then apply that and rub it in on your body, or apply it to face creams if you want to. You'll find it's very toning. Okay, good luck with your aloe. Any questions, just let me know. Happy to help. Thank you.